Welcome to Italy to love.com. Embark on an unforgettable journey. 10 must-visit castles in Lazio. Start your journey in Italy's timeless Lazio region. Visit castles that have watched over centuries of history and feel the ancient pulse of noble tales and daring escapades echoing through their stone walls. Perched above enchanting Lake Bracciano, Castello Orsini-Odescalchi is a masterpiece of medieval architecture. Stand where history witnessed grand weddings and royal intrigues among its grand halls. Next, explore Castello di Santa Severa. Nestled by the turquoise coast, this fortress offers unique stories and stunning views, promising both historical depth and natural beauty. Many castles guard legends of restless spirits and secret passages. Experience the thrill of uncovering hidden histories locked within dusty corridors and shadowed towers. Participate in vibrant festivals that bring these castles to life with colors, sounds, and flavors. Dance among costumed locals, taste traditional banquets, and become part of living history. Let the allure of Lazio's castles guide you through an unforgettable journey. Stand atop centuries-old ramparts, dive into captivating stories, and let each majestic fortress fuel your imagination. Dive deep into the heart of Italy's past. Whether you're a lover of history or simply an adventurer at heart, Lazio's castles promise unforgettable experiences. Book your trip now and walk through the corridors of time. Revisit grandeur and uncover the stories you were always meant to tell. Visit more on Italy2love.com.